In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a savings account on Cash App. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Now, the problem most users encounter when trying to make a savings account on Cash App is the fact that they are not running the latest version available of the app. It is very important that you update the app to its latest version through the Play Store or the App Store, because this is a very recent feature with which not all users might have. So, make sure you go into the Play Store or the App Store and update Cash App. Afterwards, you simply have to go to your profile, and under your cash available, you should see the savings option if the feature is available in your version of Cash App. After you click savings, you can transfer funds in and out of your savings account as you want, any custom amount, and you can also set goals to achieve monthly. You can set automatic transfers in and out of your savings account and control everything from this window. Keep in mind that this does not generate interest. I hope I was able to help you on how to make a savings account on Cash App. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.